It's official. Chris, say hello.
Hello.
You are in avatar mode, or you're just really, you're so cold, you're blue. Chris, what do you anticipate getting in the kayak tied to the back of the
I'm
truck?
probably going to bust my ass.
Okay,
Awesome.
well, let's see it.
Here we go.
How was that, Karen?
It was fucking awesome. Oh, I thought you were texting me.
You're definitely on video.
That was awesome.
No chocolate club. Oh, I can't pick that one up either. Chris, make sure that when you go, you use the paddle for the aerodynamics. That way you glide through the air much smoother. Left and right. What do you say?
I might reach speeds up to 20.
Hey, Bubba.
You need to be on the
Did you grab the other glove?
Can you grab the other glove? Yes, I grabbed the other one.
All right, that's Chris mounting. I'm getting in. Hold on.
I made it a documentary.
That's Chris getting in. All right, guys.
We can go down the bottom of the lake there and I can grab you all around the neighborhood.
Well, does that mean we're responsible for your death?
Okay, go.
Because if we're not, we're down for it. This is how rednecks have fun. Woo! Woo! Chris said no hands. What's our speed? Whoa! Oh shit! Oh shit! This is called urban kayaking. Woo! Oh shit! I got that on video! Hell no! We're definitely going about 30 miles an hour right now. Whoa! Whoa! Shit! Oh, awesome. Chris, how was that experience?
That was awesome.
You're now the master of urban kayaking.